Here is a Toyota CHR. Now this child door lock feature is only in the rear doors, not the front door. So let's start with the rear left door, and right over there is a switch to activate the feature. Just push it down and that's it. Now the feature is activated. I can still open the door from outside. However, on the inside, no matter what I do, I will not be able to open the door. Lock, unlock, doesn't matter. So what am I going to do? I'm going to slide over there and open that door because we haven't activated the feature over there yet. So let's go here, open the door, open the left side door from outside, and let's push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. And I can still open the door from outside as normal. On the inside, when it's in lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that's good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door and push the switch down. Exact same position for the switch, same process. I can still open it from outside. On the inside, no matter what I do, unlock, lock, doesn't matter, I cannot open it. So what am I gonna do? You know it. I'm gonna slide over there and open that door. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors, or the child may slide to the other side and open the door and get out. Open the right side door now and push the switch back up to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, when it's in lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that is very good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.